Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD for UI design. Let's start by understanding its core purpose. Adobe XD is a powerful vector-based tool specifically crafted for designing, prototyping, and sharing user interfaces. It offers a streamlined workflow, allowing you to quickly move from concept to interactive prototype. You'll discover key features like artboards for different screens, reusable components, and responsive resizing, all designed to accelerate your creative process and ensure consistency across your projects. Next, we'll dive into the foundational elements of design within Adobe XD, artboards and components. Artboards are your canvases, representing each unique screen or state of your application. You can easily create multiple artboards for various device sizes. Components are incredibly useful for creating reusable elements, like buttons or navigation bars, ensuring a consistent look and feel throughout your entire design. Manage all your design assets, including colors and character styles, efficiently through the dedicated Assets panel. Now, let's bring your designs to life with prototyping. In prototype mode, you can define the user flow by connecting your artboards, simulating how users will interact with your application. Choose from various transitions, such as dissolve, slide, or push, to create smooth screen changes. For more dynamic effects, explore micro-interactions using states and the auto-animate feature, adding a layer of polish and realism to your user experience. This step is crucial for testing usability. Finally, sharing and collaboration are vital parts of the design process. Adobe XD makes it simple to share your interactive prototypes with stakeholders for valuable feedback and review. You can generate shareable links tailored for design review, development handoff, or even full-screen presentations. For team projects, leverage the real-time co-editing features, allowing multiple designers to work on the same document simultaneously, ensuring everyone is always on the same page and accelerating project delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.